Today we're working on moving some of this big poplar wood from the front of the house down to the field. It needs to be split. It's a couple years old, so it should split pretty easy. Anyway, and what I'm doing, I'm taking mulch back up to the front. Go around the small Christmas trees that are left up there, and hope to keep the water, the moisture there, and hopefully have a better chance of survival than the way we've been doing it before. Anyway, that's what we're doing. That's our update for right now. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.